I am super excited about this video. So in my 8 products that make bedtime easier video, I talked about my reusable eye masks that I have lost, and I did love them and I wanted to replace them, but they are a little bit pricey. They're $25. I'm not naming names because they're probably not going to like me talking about their product and how to replace it. Anywho, so I had all these endeavors to measure my eye area and draw out the shape that I want, but with all of this material here, I mean, I can try multiple times. I've got this outline from the original set that I had, and that's basically where you put them back. But it's a perfect outline for me to just use as a stencil. So I'm just going to cut off a little bit of material here. Okay, so I've just got this to work with a little stencil on it. It's pretty flush. There we go. It's a little bit hard to see, but I am highly motivated. So let's do this. Now I am concerned because I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it is raining and thundering, and the power went out a minute ago. Okay, so this is actually going very easily. And yeah, okay, so I realize not everybody has these stencils. Just I would measure the width and the depth of your eye area, and then figure out the shape. You can practice, because like I said, this one sheet was $3.99, and this is the this is the amount you'll be using, and this is how much you have left over. You can make mistakes. So I'm trying to hurry before the power goes out again, if it's going to. Ooh, these are exactly as I remember them. So I guess I could probably smooth them out a little bit. But let's slap these bad boys on. So I'm not going to do my whole, well, no, for time's sake, just in case power goes out again, let me just see if it holds. So this is one of the 2 products that I use with these masks. This one is the, it's kind of more oil-based, and I do have a water-based that I put underneath it. So yeah, normally you're going to want to clean it, I'm sure, disinfect it. But I actually have some other skincare stuffs that I want to do. So I'm going to be, cleaning my face off here in a second. So this is so stupid. It works really well. Really well. So it's a little bit stiff. However, as I recall, the other one was a little bit stiff when I got it too. And I think the email said, hey, just keep using it and it's going to become more pliable over time. But it is holding. It's on there pretty firmly, so it's going to be super easy to take off. But it doesn't feel like it's going to slide. I hate that about just the regular eye masks, because they're super wet and they just slide off your face. So I will be putting the link to this in the description box below. And honestly, this is kind of cool because you can make this custom to you. Like, for instance, I would like mine to come in a little more because I have a very round eye shape. So this kind of goes under, kind of straight. But I can make one that goes a little higher up to here where it gets really dark, and a little bit longer to protect my eyes from crow's feet, because I'm a happy person and I smile a lot, and I could get some crow's feet. Like, I think sometimes in pictures when I'm really laughing, you do see those crinkles. So I'm really, really thrilled that this worked. Yeah, super easy. So I guess that's it.